This is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2004 Toyota Prado GXL, stock reference number 7374. This shape runs from the 8th month 2004 through to the 10th month 2009. It has one GR 4-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. One GR 4-litre four-cylinder V6 petrol engine with left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left power door mirror in chrome. Left front door has no damage, pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left rear door has one large dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate has one small dent. Spare wheel 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar, supplied with all bolts and brackets. Less tongue. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right-hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door apparently has no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror, snorkel, and a right front factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have factory fitted roof racks ×3, driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with tan cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket Sony touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.